Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Graficto. Graficto is a tool by which you can create a smart infographics and visuals without doing a lot of hassle. And it's an alternative of Canva, they're saying, but it's not completely an alternative of Canva, I think, because in Canva you can design various things. But this Graficto is particularly focused to create interactive infographics and visuals. And as you can see, here is one image. You can create this type of infographics by using this Graficto tool in maybe 2 to 5 minutes, and it's very easy to create by using this Graficto tool, guys. And if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Graficto, it's only 109 USD, but you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing, guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Graficto lifetime deal. And here, see, everything you get is unlimited. And as of now, you can see they have launched their lifetime deal on AppSumo on May 10, 2022. And within this time, they have gotten 27 reviews on AppSumo, and the reviews are almost 5 star. See, everyone is saying that the tool is good. So these are the things, guys. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Graficto and let's explore how things work and how it can be helpful for you. But before that, one thing I want to mention, guys, I have created a VIP lifetime deal discussion group on Facebook. This community is completely dedicated to discuss about various up-to-date lifetime deals available on the market. So if you're interested to join such group, guys, you're cordially invited to join. I'll give the link of this group in the description and in the comment section of this video. Now, this is the dashboard of Graficto, guys, and see here, it's very easy to use. Here in home section, you will see basically all the templates that they have. If I just click here more template, then see a lots of templates are available here. See, the templates are very good looking template, and if you want to create this type of template from scratch, then it will take a lot of time, guys, and a lot of hassle. And if you want to hire any designer to create this type of graphics, then also it will cost you a lot of money. So I think this lifetime deal is totally worth of money if you think you need to create infographics or this type of infographics. See, a lots of infographics are available. So these are the things, guys. I hope you get idea. And here you can see the types of infographics: list types, process types, circle, chart, timeline, relationship, steps, funnels, and misc type. Let's say you want to get or you want to create one infographic who is at circle type. So just click here circle or cycle, then see these are the cycle type infographics. So these are the things you can edit these things, guys. And let's say I'll select a timeline. See, these are the timeline type infographics. So these are the things, I hope you get idea. Let's say I'll select here funnels. See, these are the funnel type infographics. So here you will get also the templates, all the templates here you will get also, and in the top side you will get the templates also. And here is home. In home you will get all the templates basically, and under my graphics option you will see the graphics that you have been designed. And I have designed only one graphics previously, but you will get all the designs here that you have been designed. So let us enter to one of our design. Let's say we'll enter to this design. You can also see the preview. Just click here preview, and from here you can see support 1 to 16 items. See, there have 1 2 3 and 4 items. There have only 4 items, but you can add here up to 16 items. So from the preview section you will also get idea how many number of item you can use. And here have the gradient colors and icons you can use. And let's say if I select here another one, let's say I'll select this one. If I go to the preview here, see, you can add 6 items. So these are the things from the preview section. You can see how many items you can use basically, or how many item you can add. So let's say we will use this template. Just click here use this template, and then it will redirect you to this template. And now see how easy to edit these things. See, here is title. Now let's say here I will add Passivern, and here you can change the icon from here. Let's say here I will insert one icon, this icon. You can change the colors basically. I'll show these things after some time. And then just click here add item. Whenever you will click here add item, then see this title will be added. And say, let's say Here I will add subscribe, and then you can change the mm, icon from here also. See, this is the icon that has been changed. And to add more item, just click here, add item. See, on another item has been added. Just click here. In this way you can add here up to 16 items. See how easy to add these things. Let me keep these things here. See, I hope you get idea. In this way you can add up to 16 item here. Let me add. So see, I have been added up to 16 titles or 16 item, and here is the design. I hope you can see. So depending on your need, you have to add basically how many item and how many design you need, and you can drag and drop every item. See, if I drag and drop these things here, then they will be changed basically. So these are the things. And now depending on your need, just here insert your titles. Let's say here I will insert like, here I will insert comment, here I will insert affiliate marketing, here I will insert, let's say, drop servicing. So in this way, see, whenever I am adding here any item, these items are changing. So these are the things. You can change the icons also from here. You can search any icon from here. Let's say I will search nature. Then see, here is the icon. So these are the things. In this way your icons will be changed, your titles will be changed, your design will be changed. I hope you get idea and see how easy to design this infographics here. Now here I have more option heading, and they're saying this template does not have any heading. So if the template have any heading, you can change the heading basically from here. And then they have colors, and see, here I have different color plates. You can use these color plates basically from here. Just select the color plate that you need or that you like, then it will be added. So these are the things. See, a lots of color plates are available here. After that they have fonts option, and from here you can select which font you want to use. Let's say I want to use this font, and see the fonts has been changed. After that they have template. You can get basically more template. You can use more templates from here. So these are the things, and I hope you get idea guys how easy to design a beautiful looking infographics by using this Graficto tool. But if you want to design such type of infographics by using other tools like Photoshop or Canva, then it will require a lot of hassle from you. But if you use this Graficto tool guys, it's very easy to use. Here you can give the name. Let's say the name of this infographics will be video purpose, and see, it will be saved automatically. And then they have option to share. Let me go to the share option. See, here you can basically make this graphic to public. You can copy this URL and you can share it to anyone you want. After that they have download option. So if I go to the download option, here see, you can download as JPEG, PNG, opaque, PNG transparent, and SVG. You can also here add 4x high resolution. Let's say I will here download one PNG transparent. Just select the thing that you want, then just click here download. So it has been downloaded guys. Now if I open this image, let me open, and see, this is the image guys. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. Here is the image. Let me see, here is the image, and the resolution of the image is very good. I hope you get idea guys. See, here is the image. So these are the things. Similarly, now if I go to the home page again, now if I go to my graphics, here see, I can see my graphics here. So all the graphics that you will create, you will see these things here under this my graphics. And similarly there have a lots of other template guys. See, a lots of beautiful templates are available, and they are keep adding new template on every single month or on every single week. So in future the number of template will increase more. So these are the things guys, and the tool has gotten a lot of good reviews on AppSumo. So if you think guys you need this type of tool by which you can generate infographics in very easy way or within a short time, then you can get this Graficto lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this Graficto lifetime deal in the description and in the comment section of this video. and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing, guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Graficto lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.